Hi all, I want to do a quick video of a custom workshop that I'm doing. It is 14 foot by 10 foot. It's fully custom, so dimensions I've done to suit the actual space it's going in and also the design. So it is a 14 by 10 skilling roof workshop. It's got approximately 7 foot windows in. It's going to have a heated floor. It's going to have spotlights in, a motorised access door via two sliding doors, internal sliding doors. So yeah, it should be really good. So I'll just show you a few bits I've already done. It is later in the stages of the build. What I'll do is I'll put some photos on during this video just to show you some of the early stages. So, but I think this is quite a good stage to show you basically what I'm doing. It gives you the full picture. Right, as you can see, I've got all my building materials. That's some leftover plywood, looking pretty sorry for itself now, it's been in the rain. Some more plywood there that's potentially I'm not going to use, because I was going to use that for the internal plyboarding of all of this, but I'm probably not going to now because it's the wrong grade really, unless I cover it with something else like white sheeting to get a real nice clean look. So basically this is the building. It is 10 foot wide, by 14 foot long. As you can see at the moment, I've got to the stage where the whole construction is built. We're at a stage now where we're going to start cladding this side that you can see where the windows are going to go. So I've got some 7 foot panes of window approximately that you're going to see. The overall height of the building is about 8.2 foot to keep it within regulations for not having planning permission. And then I will just take you this side. I've cladded this side already. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you caught that. I'll show you the back so you'll see it clearer. So this is the cladding. So this is the finished cladding side. So you can see it's pretty, it's not a wood grain as such, it is just their normal finish, not the wood grain. So I wanted something that looked ultra modern, so I thought, you know, wood grain look a bit maybe not modern. So that's the side of the fence. As you can see down there, it's pretty tight, but it's got all nice stone down there already. It's got the guttering all on. So let's tell you a bit more about it. So basically what I did was I have built it on a concrete base. The concrete base is on a sub base of about 6 inch, something like that. This concrete base is about memory 2 inch, something like that, maybe 3 inch. So it's on a concrete base, and then what I've done is I've put on engineering bricks. So there's engineering bricks all the way around that it sits on, so it won't get wet. And these here are the 7 foot window panes that are going in. Those ones won't be using. I ordered those by mistake. They're not hardened glass. These ones are hardened glass. So you can see the hardened glass stamp, which is there. These ones are not on this side, so I'm not going to use them. So they're the 3 panes of glass that will be going in. Double glazed units, look really nice. So they will basically be going just here. So yeah, that's a quick overview of what I've done really. Wood is all out of 2x4. Yeah, the whole lot, even the roof. It's got quite a fair few roof joists in, about 15 I think. Actually no, it's 13 I think. I probably don't sound too short at the minute, but I've literally only just woke up. I do know what I'm on about, seriously. In the middle, I've just doubled them up. So they're doubled up. Now on the roof, it has got a, just try and get a shot of it. That's a rubber roof, that's EPDM I believe they call it, rubber roof. And that's 1.5mm, which is the industrial grade, so it shouldn't damage easy. It's fairly thick, as you can see. The main reason for me going for the actual thicker roof was because, the thicker rubber, sorry, is because I was hoping that it won't show anything through that's on top of the boards, even though I sanded them down, I wanted to minimise it as much as possible. So the next job really for in here will be insulation, boarding possibly. I say possibly because I don't know which order I'm going to do everything in yet. Obviously insulation and boarding, but I don't know if I'm going to get the floor done first with self-leveling concrete, so then it'll be a nice flat surface ready for what I need to put on to do the underfloor heating. So the idea is, just to give you a bit of a vision, so hope there's going to be sliding doors going in, a nice 3 windows just here, and then at the back I want to do a modular tool unit. So basically all the storage for everything's going to be in there, and that will leave all this floor space for restoring motorbikes and bits and bobs, working on the car. Well, not obviously I can't get the car in here, but it'll let me bring some parts in here and stuff. This side I want to hopefully have the bikes. The bikes on the wall. Got a 3-year-old son as well that he's getting into a bit of biking now. You know, he's going to have his first proper bike soon, so hopefully I'll be able to mount the bikes on the wall. I'm hoping that the finish of this, I want to be able to do, what I want to do is, it's all going to be white. So everything's going to be white basically. The ceiling will also be white. So it'll all look real nice and really clean. And it'll have spotlights in as well. So I want, like, you know, one spotlight, you know, and do probably like 8 of them. So it'll be 1 row here, 1 row there, 8 spotlights. And then the floor will be heated. I'm not too sure what colour to do it yet. Maybe black or white, I don't know. But the idea is that when you walk in here, it looks absolutely the dog's danglers. It looks nice and spotless. Because the idea is I want to use it as a posh workshop, for instance, or posh hobby shop, or whatever you want to call it. But then somebody else may want to use this for a gym. They might want to turn it into an office. You know, it's got nice big windows. You know, so it's nice and light in there. So that's the inside. The outside, yeah, we just need to get the windows fitted, get the cladding on. Here's my son. And then obviously I've got the soffits and fascias to do. Yeah. What am I doing? A quick video. Do you want to say hello? Yeah. Say hello then. Hello. Hold on. So basically under here is going to be pine soffits, and then on top for the fascias is probably going to be black to cover up this, obviously cover up the roof. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, any questions, give us a drop them in the comment section. Yeah, I mean, so far I'm pretty pleased with the build. As you can see, it's got, like I said, it's a skillion roof, but it's the slope on it is not as much as what I wanted. But you know, if I wanted any more of a slope on it with the headroom I've still got, which is about 6.5 foot, 7 foot, then I would have had to have planning permission to bump this up to 9 foot, which I thought was not worth it. But as you can see, it's going to look pretty nice. Look pretty nice where it is with the trees and everything. So, because I was going to put a metal shed there, but I thought I just can't bear to put a metal shed in here in this garden once I've had all the fence panels done and stuff. I built this patio as well. So it's a grey slate patio, but they called it black slate, but it looks grey. I've built a custom fire pit. As you can see, we had a fire not long ago. I normally, well, I have to paint this iron grate, you know, every couple of years, because it looks better when it's jet black. At the moment it's just gone a bit rusty, so I'll pull it out and get it back up to looking good again. So yeah, right then guys, what I'll do is I'll keep everyone up to date with the build, so you know, just so you can see how it's going. I'm not a builder at all, so any builders that are watching this that are cringing, go ahead, because or tell me what you're cringing at, because like, you know, I'm a complete DIYer, so I'm an engineer by trade, so I'm sensible, but you know, I'm not an expert at wood. This is the first time I've ever worked with wood ever, so I'm not a carpenter or anything like that. I'm definitely not a YouTuber either. So yeah, it's going alright. I think it's going pretty good so far. Me and the missus were on the roof doing the rubber roofing, and it was absolutely solid as a rock. So got to make sure my son doesn't hit me in the bollocks with the hammer that's got in his hand. You got a hammer? Yeah. So yeah, I'll put another video on once the cladding and the windows are in, because that's when it's going to really look nice. And yeah, go from there. See you later.